drop.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Greg, all kitted up with all of the protection that I've got because today's going to be crazy. I'm here at the saddle at Rocky Knob, and this is the Touch 'em All Challenge. There are 7 technical trail features, and the challenge is to land every single one of them cleanly on the first try. Let's ride. Alright, so the first feature I'm going to try after this little thing is Logzilla. And I like to try to keep the seat down because if you ever have to balance yourself, the seat's all the way up. Can't really make any adjustments. So 1 for 1. All right, the next one is kind of the same thing, but you drop off of the little drop side here, which is super sketchy, but it's fun if you make it. Oh, oh boy, that is the definition of nose heavy, but I am still counting it. Woo! All right, the third part of the skinny skills area is not actually featuring Logzilla at all. On the left, there's this little swoop and then a drop that you really have to take slow speed because there's no landing. So here we go. Oh, boy, yeah, you got to turn right after it. That's tough. It's gonna. So, happy to be done with the skinny skills area. Now it's time to hit a jump. All right, now I'm on the jam, which is the little small part of PBJ, and the challenge here is to clear this tabletop. Oh yeah, made it. 4 for 4. Okay, beautiful view in the distance. 4 down, 3 to go. And this is my favorite one because it's the easiest. This is a tiny little drop, but you can't really roll it, I don't think, but definitely doable. So this might be a good starting spot for a lot of people. So I just get some speed, seat down, bike out in front. Oh yeah. Sweet. All right, second to last. This is the medium-sized drop. And I will tell you that usually when I go over this, I feel like, that wasn't so bad. But it's really probably at the upper limit of what I'm comfortable with. So I'm pedaling in, get the seat back down. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's about that's about as much as I'd like to do, but there's one more to go. All right, final part of the challenge. This is your big boy. Let's do this. Come on. 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 Oh, yes! Woo! Oh, perfect landing. First time ever. Yes. All right. That's it for the 7 for 7 Touch 'em All Challenge. I just like looking at this because I've never landed it that nice. Woohoo! So, put in the comments below if you have successfully completed the Touch 'em All Challenge here at the saddle at Rocky Knob. Good luck, and see you next ride.